The only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome back to our channel, where we help people navigate the world of personal finance and grow your savings. In this highly informative video, we'll delve into the essential strategies of saving money that will set you on the path to financial success. Before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos packed with valuable financial advice. Let's get started. The foundation of growing your savings starts with understanding its importance. By saving money consistently, you're not only securing a financial safety net, but also developing critical life skills such as delayed gratification and financial responsibility. Setting clear savings goals is the first step in this process. Now that we understand the importance of saving, let's move on to creating a budget. This crucial step will help you track your income, expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back to allocate more money towards your savings. Begin by listing your income sources, which can include allowances, part-time jobs, or even money from family. Then, track your expenses, differentiating between needs and wants. By categorizing your spending, it becomes easier to identify areas where you can cut back. With your budget in place, it's time to put smart spending habits into action. One effective approach is adopting the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% directly allocated to savings. Distinguishing between needs and wants is key. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your goals. Additionally, make the most of discounts, sales, and coupons to stretch your hard-earned dollars further. To accelerate your savings growth, it's important to maximize available opportunities. Open a high-interest savings account that offers minimal fees. Automate your savings by scheduling regular transfers from your checking account. This way, you ensure consistent savings without the temptation to spend. And don't forget to find additional ways to earn money, such as freelancing, tutoring, or even selling unused items online. Congratulations on completing this crash course in growing your savings. Remember, wealth accumulation is a journey, and it begins with these fundamental steps. Understanding the importance of saving, creating a budget, practicing smart spending habits, and maximizing saving opportunities. By implementing these strategies, you're well on your way to achieving financial empowerment and a secure future. Remember to stay committed, be disciplined, and make saving a lifelong habit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share it with your friends who are also navigating the world of personal finance. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next empowering finance video. Thanks for watching.